y'all, so I'm back again on this channel and I have some video requests to do, so I'm doing it. This question is basically like, should I move near my boyfriend or an hour away? The reason behind that question is because in 2013 he would be moving, I guess, to another city. I'm gonna say move where you want to move, because she don't really care for that city, so she want to move to a city that she likes. And if he's going to be moving away, then I recommend moving to the city that you like. The city is only an hour away from where he is, and she is not living with him, so it doesn't really matter. Because most leases are a year. Some of them are 12 months. Wait, that is a year. Some of them are 13 months, 14 months, and just move to where you're happy. An hour away really isn't anything. Yes, gas is high, but you know, in 2013 he's going to be gone, so you're going to be stuck there in a city that you really do not care for, and it just makes more sense to go where you want to go. Talk to him first, see what he thinks. Y'all maybe need to come to an understanding that yes, you are going to be moving away in 2013, and I'm still going to be here with my lease, and my lease won't be up. I really do not care for this city that much. I care for you, not the city. So an hour away really isn't that bad for either one of you to travel, meet in the middle, you know, something like that. So that's what I recommend, to move where you want to move. Make yourself happy, and you can still make him happy because it's only an hour away. It's not like it's 4 hours away from him. So this video was fast. Do what you want, make yourself happy, because in the end you are really all that you have. So make yourself happy, move to the city that you want to move to. 2013 come, you know, I guess figure out where he's going. Well, you already know. I don't. Do I? Well, she said he might move. So talk to him, see what it is, and then yeah, that's how you come up with what you want to do. But I recommend moving to where you want to move to. And thank you for watching.